Homework 9, number 1. So in this problem, you're asked to write a MATLAB program that will display the numbers from 5 to 25 with a step of 5. The program should display 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. And use a while loop to solve this problem. Run your program and verify that it operates correctly. Okay, so let's go to MATLAB and start working on it. So this is homework 9, problem 1, and you need to write a while loop that shows the numbers from 5 to 25 with increments of 5, right? So first step, let's create a variable which we'll use to store our progress with this increment while incrementing these numbers. Let's call this n. So I'll start off with n equals 5, and then I'm going to write a while loop. And again, when writing a while loop, you need to write while, which is your command, and then you need to show a logical expression. So in this case, I want while n is less than or equal to 25. I'm gonna display n, and then I'm gonna increment n equals n plus 5, right? And I'm gonna suppress this line so that I don't show 10 twice or 15 twice. I'll explain it in a second. And then end. So this body will do this for you. So again, here I have my while command and the logical expression. In the body of the command, in this first line, I'm just displaying n, which should display in increments of 5, and this line is what I'm using to make sure that n increments by 5, right? So let's run it and see what we're gonna get. So I'm gonna run it. So I'll ask you to save it first of all. So let me save it. So here we go. It's homework 9, number 1. Then add to path, of course. And you can see that we're getting n equals 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we're showing the 5 numbers, right? If I remove the semicolon from the second line, so if I remove this second column from here and I run it, you're going to see that n will show the intermediate numbers twice. Because if you think about it and you're running through the loop, so n is initially 5. Is n less than or equal to 25? No. So I'm going to display n, which is 5. And then I'm going to display n equals n plus 5, which is 10, right? So in every loop, it's showing two n's, the original n and then the n incremented by 5. That's why I'm suppressing it. I'm suppressing my counter command here. So if I suppress my counter command and I run it, it's just gonna show me the numbers from 5 to 25 only once. Another thing to talk about is less than or equal. So if I make this only less than, it will stop at 20, because by the time n goes to 20, let's say n is 20 and the iteration is going through the loop. Is 20 less than 25? Yes. So it's going to show 20, and then n is going to become 25. We're going to go back up in the loop. Is 25 less than 25? The answer is no. So you're going to exit the loop and you're not going to display the number 25, which is the objective of this program. Another way to do it, so sometimes you want to write print n or something like that. This would also work. And is it print or is it printf? Let's see. Print, see the command. So again, if you're not sure what the exact format is, you can just try to find it out. So let's see, print file name. So maybe print is not the right one. Let's say display or help. So let's try this. Let's run it. See if it's gonna work out. Yeah. So if you use this function display, will just show them up, show them as a list. I'm gonna include my equal here. Then just for housekeeping, I'm gonna write CLC and clear at the top. And let's run it, and this will show you the objective or what you want to achieve in problem 1 of homework 9. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.